Sebagai salah satu masjid terbesar di London, East London Mosque merupakan salah satu simbol bagi umat Islam di Inggris. Masjid ini dapat mengakomodasi sekitar 1.500 jemaah pada sholat Jumat. Jumlah ini sering naik menjadi sekitar 5.000 jemaah untuk sholat Idul Fitri dan Idul Adha. Walaupun East London Mosque didirikan pada awal abad ke-20, beberapa dasawarsa berlalu sebelum gedung ini dibuka.
When was the mosque founded again?
Well, the history of the mosque goes back to 1910 when the London Mosque Fund was set up to the objective of creating a mosque in London for Muslims. But because of the First World War, money went to the war effort. So it wasn't until the 1940s when a row of houses was bought on Commercial Road, just across the road, and was converted into a mosque, an Islamic centre. So that's when the East London Mosque was initially built. The council bought those houses in 1975 and moved us to Whitechapel Road, and in 1985 the purpose-built East London Mosque was completed.
Namun kedudukan East London Mosque tidak luput dari serangan teroris pada tahun 2005 yang mengatasnamakan Islam.
One of the bombs exploded quite close by Aldgate Station. The mosque basically opened up the doors to any victims or to anyone who was injured. And we used the main halls in the London Muslim Square. The mosque is actually part of a network called the Tower Hamlets Interfaith Forum, where we work with other religious communities, and that helped keep the peace in the community.
Sejak tahun 1985, East London Mosque menjadi salah satu pusat kehidupan umat Islam secara rohani dan duniawi.
As you probably well know, there's a lot of minorities that constitute Muslims in Britain, and this place is like, admittedly, this is like this predominantly Pakistani and like Bengali and so. But just how inclusive is it, the place?
Well, the predominant breakdown of the population in Tower Hamlets, this borough, is Bangladeshi, but there is a growing Somali population and North African population, and they also run their projects from this Muslim centre as well. They have their own Somali project, they have the North African project, and we'll try to be as inclusive as possible. This is not a country problem a Bengali mosque. Just because the majority of the local population are Bengali, this doesn't mean it's a Bengali mosque. We have all kinds of people coming here, and they're all welcome. But the Friday ceremony at this mosque actually is probably one of the few mosques that does it in 3 languages. We do it in Arabic, Bengali and English. That way we cater for the majority of the population that come and pray on Friday.
Sementara di daerah Lancashire, tepatnya di kota Clitheroe, kita bisa melihat bangunan gereja yang akan dijadikan masjid dan kini masih dalam tahap renovasi.
The building will actually remain the same. Now we won't be putting a dome or minarets or anything like that on the building. We're quite well within our rights to do so, but I think what we'll be doing is appreciating and respecting the existing architectural landscape in Clitheroe.
Masjid ini menjadi pusat kontroversi beberapa tahun yang lalu setelah pemerintah kota Clitheroe berkali-kali menolak petisi umat Islam untuk merubah fungsi gereja menjadi masjid, sampai pemerintah kota Clitheroe berubah pikiran pada tahun 2006.
What makes Clitheroe Mosque distinctive is it is a mosque which is actually trying to rediscover the traditions of the mosque in accordance with the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. If we look back to the time of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the mosque was the centre of the community. All the community affairs were conducted through the mosque, and it was a place which tolerated other faiths.
Di Manchester, Masjid Muslim Youth Foundation atau yang lebih populer disebut Masjid Underground juga dipengaruhi oleh tuntutan sehari-hari masyarakat. Lokasinya di pusat kota Manchester membuat masjid ini tempat ideal sebagai tempat sholat bagi para profesional Islam yang sibuk.
How have you changed since you converted to Islam? How have I changed? I think I've changed by I have a lot more peace in my heart than I had before. Probably become less to some extent probably less materialistic as well, and money is not really a main object anymore.
Perkembangan Islam di Inggris memang sangat pesat. Kurang lebih 3 juta umat muslim tersebar di seluruh Inggris. Untuk masyarakat secara umum, masjid tidak hanya sebagai simbol agama untuk tempat beribadah, namun kini telah menjadi salah satu komponen untuk kegiatan kemasyarakatan di Inggris. Tunggul Werayuda, Nur Budi melaporkan untuk Dinamika Muslim Inggris.